Greetings! Welcome to the Ingredient Channel. In this week's episode, we are making another dish using the boiling technique. We cooked the boiled chicken drumsticks in the previous episode. This time, we're cooking Gai Lan, or Chinese broccoli, one of my favorite greens. Gai Lan is widely consumed in Chinese cuisine and very easy to find in the dim sum menus. The dark leafy vegetable is with thick stems similar to broccoli. That's why people also call it Chinese broccoli. It is a powerhouse of nutrition with anti-aging effects. The recipe I'm sharing is so simple to follow. If you do not cook that much, this super easy recipe might finally offer you the opportunity to adopt and please your loved ones from time to time while showing off your great cooking skills. Wink wink. Without further ado, let's get started. Thoroughly clean the vegetable. I typically soak them in cold water about 30 minutes, then rinse thoroughly to remove dirt or bugs hidden in the wrinkle of the leaves. Then, let's split the thick stem into two pieces so it absorbs the sauce easily. Next, we'll cut the red chili pepper into small rings. Smash and mince the garlics. In a little bowl, add fish sauce or oyster sauce. I ran out of oyster sauce in the kitchen, so I'm using fish sauce. Light soy sauce and set aside for use later. By the way, for the fish sauce, I'm using the 3 Crabs brand. This is my favorite fish sauce. Other brand works too. And this is not sponsored. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil to the boiling water. Sprinkle about 1 teaspoon of salt. Then put the Gai Lan in. Boil until the stems turn translucent. This takes about 4 to 5 minutes. Take the vegetables out and lay beautifully in a plate. Scatter the minced garlic and red chili pepper on top. Sprinkle a little bit of salt as needed. Drizzle the liquid ingredients in. Last step, pour hot oil on top. Then it's time to show off the delightful and pretty dish. Isn't it easy? Be proud and enjoy. Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode. Check out the other videos in my channel. Comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks.